Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter loose. Achieving a smoother consistency for your peanut butter is surprisingly simple and only requires one key ingredient. This method is perfect for when you need a more pourable texture for sauces, dressings, or even just easier spreading. We'll walk through the steps to transform your thick peanut butter into a perfectly loose and creamy delight, ready for any recipe. The secret to loosening peanut butter is simply adding warm water. Unlike oils or other liquids, water won't alter the flavor profile significantly. Begin by scooping your peanut butter into a microwave-safe bowl. For every half cup of peanut butter, start with 1 teaspoon of warm water. This precise measurement helps prevent overthinning, ensuring you maintain control over the final texture. Once you've added the warm water, stir the peanut butter vigorously. You'll notice it resisting at first, but keep mixing until the water is completely absorbed and the texture begins to smooth out. If the peanut butter is very cold or stiff, you can microwave it for 15-second intervals, stirring after each, to help it become more pliable. Continue this process, adding small amounts of water until it reaches your ideal loose consistency. Once your peanut butter is perfectly loose, you can use it immediately or store it. Keep any unused portion in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several days. This thinned peanut butter is fantastic for creating delicious salad dressings, savory marinades, or even for blending into your morning smoothie. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.